Hey guys, what's going on? Good afternoon. I'm here to tell you a little bit about my luggage set. So before I begin, I just wanted to let you guys know that there's 3 pieces here, but there's actually a 4th suitcase. I just don't have it pictured because it's like up somewhere in my attic. But we recently, on September, my husband and I went to Greece and Italy and we bought these 3 bags. So this one was my carry-on. Then the big one was my husband's, but I put some of my stuff in there. And then the smaller one I used. So basically what it is it's Traveler's Choice. The number is US 6300 N US Traveler New York 4-piece luggage set. I actually registered for this when I had my bridal shower because I knew I would need new suitcases for the honeymoon, and this had gotten really, really great reviews that I read online, and that definitely helped me with deciding which brand luggage I wanted to go with. So it has functionality and innovation, which both come together in this versatile luggage from the US Traveler New Yorker collection. They are constructed of lightweight and durable tear-resistant fabrication, which is great because, you know, like I know when I went to Greece and Italy, especially the airline, I took Alitalia and they were very, very rough with my luggage. And luckily, like, nothing teared or anything. I mean, it got like a little dirty and stained. I'm sure there's like a way to clean that, but that's just from, you know, being on the plane and stuff. And I checked both bags, so that's why they're dirty. They were like probably on top of other people's suitcases and who knows, but they got pretty dirty. But anyway, no tear resistant, definitely very, very well and lightweight. The set has multiple high capacity bodies that allow for maximum organization demanded by today's active travelers. The product features are they're crafted from durable and shiny Dabi fabrication, the EVA foam front panel for a clean and tailored appearance. Adjustable added bag strap allows an additional bag to be carried effortlessly. High visibility light gray interior lining and tie-down straps. Interior zippered mesh pocket and dual shoe pockets. They are expandable for 25% more packing capacity, which is amazing. And then they have inline skate wheels for smooth rolling. The multiple front zipper pockets for travel documents and magazines. Dual top and side carry handles, and the bottom grip makes lifting easy. Upright, 29 height by 17 width by 10.5 degrees, expands to 12.5 inches. Upright, 25 height by 15 width, 9.5D, expands to 11.5 inches. Upright, 21 inches height by 13 by 5 inches width by 8 degrees, expands to 10 inches. And the tote is 15 width by 10 inches height by 7 degrees. So that's for the one you see in the middle. So they're all like different sizes, but yeah, I just have like the smallest one and the largest one pictured here because I was going to, the reason I put the smaller one that I decided I wanted to take with me is because I was originally going to carry it on, and then I decided to go ahead and check it because I don't know, for whatever reason, I just decided I was going to check it, and it would be easier than putting everything in like the overhead compartment, because then it's like, then it takes you longer to get off the plane, and you guys know how it is if you travel. So just want to show you guys like the pockets. The pockets are pretty similar on all 3 of the suitcases. So they have 2 pockets in the front here, and then the side opens up, so it has 2 pockets here, which is perfect for shoes and stuff like that. And then this little mesh pocket right here, I put like, I don't know, like different toiletry items, Q-tips, cotton swabs, shampoo, conditioner, stuff like that. And it shows you in the dimensions, I think, or no, I'm sorry, the PO number, Traveler's Choice, and it says it's made in China. And then these straps are really great for just holding everything in place, especially if it's like a bumpy flight or whatever. In my case, our flight was 10 hours long, so I needed something that was definitely going to be like you know, so I needed like a suitcase that was going to be durable, and I liked having the straps just to keep everything in place, especially like little souvenirs and stuff that we had purchased that were somewhat fragile. I don't recommend putting them in your checked luggage unless you have to, because of course like the airline can be rough. But yeah, there's the same tag as in the smaller suitcase, so both are designed pretty much the same, and they did actually come with locks as well, so you can lock up your suitcase. I probably should have, but we didn't do that for whatever reason. We just decided not to. So that is nice. It gives you the option. And then I love this little luggage, the small tote, because this actually, when you're like, these are on wheels of course too, so when I have this up, stand it up for you guys, the tote just kind of fits right on top really perfectly. So when you're wheeling it around the airport, you don't have to like carry this on your shoulder or anything like that. You could just sit it nice right on top of the suitcase. And then this has like a nice little front pocket, and then you open it up and you could put some stuff in here, like my little medicine, or like my husband's contacts. I have this is a charger I have for my phone, like portable charger, pen, just like little stuff you need. And then this is the mesh that's inside the tote, so you can put other stuff in there, and it's perfect. And it was like just 2 people, and the suitcases were great. Like 3 suitcases were perfect. Well, actually, I mean, I should just say 2 suitcases, since they're really just 2, but I had the little tote with us too. So 2 suitcases, small, large, not the medium one. The medium we left home, and the little tote were perfect for a 2-week vacation for me and my husband. We had more than enough room, and I'm a heavy packer. I mean, I like to change up my outfits and stuff like that, but they were perfect. So guys, this was our US Traveler blue 4-piece luggage set. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope if you're looking for a nice luggage set that's reasonably priced for yourself or your family, I hope you guys will check this out. And I thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day.